Several common mistakes that safety professionals make include ignoring computer knowledge. I have seen supervisors who have been working in safety for 10 to 12 years and still don't know how to use computers. They haven't learned Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. If they had learned these skills, they'd probably be working in an office now or would have been promoted already. Long-term field work. If you see someone who has been working as a safety supervisor for 15 to 16 years and is still doing site work, it often indicates they lack adequate computer skills. That's why their promotion hasn't happened. Being dependent on others, many safety professionals become dependent on others. They ask colleagues, "Can you please prepare this report? I don't know how to do reporting." This is a common mistake. Fear of Excel. Many are afraid of Excel and don't know how to operate it or do calculations. Email communication issues. Many don't know how to communicate professionally via email, what to write, how to attach documents, etc. Not updating skills. The main issue is that these professionals don't update their computer skills, which causes all these problems. The future of computer skills in safety. Here's what you need to understand. In the future, it's very likely that computer skills will become mandatory for all safety officers. Right now, it's optional. A safety officer might not have these skills and still manage, but in the coming times, this could become a requirement. When you go for an interview, you might be asked, "What computer skills do you have? What can you do with Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint?" Having computer skills provides you with increased confidence, better chances of salary increases, better opportunities for promotion, greater professionalism, a competitive advantage in the job market. So, this is how you should understand the importance of computer skills that every safety officer must know.